am Nagesh Shetty, Managing Director, INTELLIN Controls Private Limited. We have started our journey in the year 2018 and today we have a good client base with more than 60 projects completed since inception. Majorly we do projects in fire alarm systems, CCTV, access control and networking systems. We are also the distributor for Ravel fire alarm systems and we supply materials across Pan India. We do also take AMCs on fire alarm, PA system, access control and so on. We are located in Arya Plaza, Chamrajpet, opposite to Uba Theatre, Bengaluru. Please contact us for any queries related to fire alarm, access control, surveillance or security systems, and we do support for the projects, installation and all those things. Thank you for your continued support and expecting to grow together in future.